Most luxury cars are built to impress. Few are built to endure. In the world of premium automobiles, prestige often fades as the miles add up. The badge may still shine and the cabin may still feel luxurious, but many luxury vehicles become increasingly costly to keep on the road. Yet a select few have earned a different reputation. These are the rare luxury cars that combine exceptional comfort, refined craftsmanship, and remarkable long-term durability. Vehicles that continue delivering confidence and prestige well beyond 200,000 miles. From German engineering icons to Japanese reliability legends, these are the luxury cars that prove true quality isn't measured by age. It's measured by endurance. And by the time we reach number 1, you'll discover a luxury SUV whose reputation for longevity has become nothing short of legendary. Number 5. BMW 3 Series. For decades, the BMW 3 Series has been considered the benchmark sports sedan. But what many people don't realize is that some of the best examples are also capable of becoming long-distance legends. Slide behind the wheel and the first thing you notice isn't luxury, it's connection. The steering feels precise, the chassis feels alive. Every input feels deliberate. Even on an ordinary commute, the 3 Series transforms driving into something engaging. Modern models equipped with BMW's respected B58 inline-6 produce up to 386 horsepower, delivering effortless acceleration while maintaining the mechanical sophistication that enthusiasts admire. Visually, the 3 Series projects confidence without excess. Its sculpted proportions and athletic stance communicate success through design rather than extravagance. Inside, the atmosphere feels tailored around the driver. Premium materials, digital technology, and ergonomic craftsmanship create a cabin that feels equally comfortable during a spirited backroad drive or a late-night executive commute. Owning a high-mileage 3 Series sends a unique message. Not that you purchased luxury, but that you chose driving excellence. And while BMW introduces us to luxury performance, the next vehicle demonstrates how luxury can become an executive sanctuary. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If the BMW speaks to the enthusiast, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class speaks to the executive. For generations, the E-Class has represented one of the purest expressions of automotive sophistication. Close the door, and the outside world immediately feels more distant. The cabin surrounds you with elegant materials, ambient lighting, and an unmistakable sense of calm. Every surface feels engineered to reduce stress and elevate comfort. Under the hood, modern E-Class models offer smooth turbocharged powertrains, including refined inline-6 options producing up to 375 horsepower. But numbers only tell part of the story. The true magic lies in how effortlessly the car delivers its performance. The ride quality feels composed and dignified. Highway miles disappear in near silence. Long journeys become opportunities to relax rather than obligations to endure. Its design language reflects mature confidence. There is no need for aggressive styling when the three-pointed star already communicates decades of prestige. The E-Class isn't merely transportation, it's a statement that success has become comfortable. But as impressive as Mercedes engineering can be, the next vehicle introduces something many luxury buyers value even more: dependability for an entire family's journey. Number 3. Acura MDX. Some luxury vehicles are built to impress a valet. The Acura MDX is built to serve a lifetime of memories. This is the luxury SUV for people who have achieved success but remain grounded in practicality. Its design carries presence without arrogance. Clean lines, a commanding stance, and refined proportions allow it to look premium without demanding attention. Power comes from Acura's proven 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 producing 290 horsepower. Unlike many modern luxury engines chasing complexity, this powertrain has earned a reputation for long-term durability that owners trust year after year. Inside, the MDX creates an environment designed for life's biggest adventures. Imagine loading the family for a cross-country road trip. Children asleep in the rear seats, miles of open highway ahead. The cabin remains quiet, comfortable, and composed as the journey unfolds. The MDX delivers luxury in a way that feels meaningful, not through excess, but through reliability, comfort, and confidence. It becomes a partner in life's milestones. And while Acura excels at balancing luxury with practicality, the next vehicle elevates longevity into something far more refined. Number 2. Lexus EASE, The Lexus ES represents a luxury philosophy rarely seen in today's market. Instead of demanding attention, it earns admiration through consistency. Year after year, mile after mile, the moment you enter the cabin, everything feels intentionally serene. The seats are supportive yet inviting. The controls operate with precision. The quietness is remarkable. Even after hundreds of thousands of miles, owners often describe the ES using the same word: effortless. Powered by a smooth 3.5-liter V6 generating over 300 horsepower, the ES delivers confident performance wrapped in one of the most reliable luxury platforms ever developed. But statistics alone cannot explain its appeal. The real attraction is emotional. Owning a Lexus ES means experiencing luxury without anxiety. No constant worry, no fear of unexpected surprises, just dependable refinement every single day. Its elegant design avoids trends and embraces timeless sophistication. Years pass, the vehicle remains relevant, the ownership experience remains rewarding, and that rare combination of luxury and longevity brings us to a vehicle that has achieved something almost legendary. Number 1. Lexus GX. Some luxury vehicles age gracefully. The Lexus GX seems almost immune to aging altogether. Built upon foundations closely related to Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser Prado architecture, the GX has earned one of the strongest reputations for durability in the entire luxury automotive industry. Yet its appeal extends far beyond reliability. Look at its presence, the upright proportions, the commanding stance, the unmistakable sense of strength. This is not luxury designed for city streets alone. This is luxury designed for every road, and sometimes no road at all. Inside, premium materials and modern technology create an environment that feels both sophisticated and rugged. It is equally comfortable arriving at an upscale resort or venturing deep into remote wilderness. Behind the wheel, there is a feeling few luxury vehicles can replicate: confidence. Not confidence in speed, confidence in capability. Confidence that this machine can handle whatever lies ahead. Many owners surpass 250,000 miles while maintaining the same trust they felt on day one. And perhaps that is why the Lexus GX stands above the rest. Because true luxury isn't merely about comfort. It's about freedom. The freedom to drive farther, the freedom to keep exploring, and the confidence that your vehicle will still be ready for the next adventure long after others have faded into history. Which of these high-mileage luxury vehicles would you trust to take beyond 200,000 miles? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy premium automotive content focused on luxury, longevity, and intelligent ownership, be sure to subscribe for more. Because sometimes the most impressive luxury vehicle isn't the newest one, it's the one that's still exceptional decades later.